Feeling stuck in your 9 to 5 or just need extra cash without spending money upfront? In today's video, I'll show you the top 3 side hustles in 2025 that you can start right now, with zero money down. These are real, beginner-friendly, and people are making thousands every month. Let's dive in and turn your free time into income. Go to platforms like Fiverr, PromptBase, or Upwork. Create a simple gig. I will write powerful ChatGPT or Mid-Journey prompts for your brand or project. People are earning $20 to $200 per prompt package, depending on niche. Bonus tip: pick a niche like real estate, finance, or e-commerce, and charge more. Hustle number 2, faceless YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face, speak on camera, or even edit videos yourself. Pick a profitable niche like personal finance, tech reviews, or scary stories. Use free tools like ChatGPT to write scripts, Pexels/Storyblocks for footage, and CapCut or Canva to edit. You can even outsource everything on platforms like Fiverr. With consistent uploads, some channels are making $1,000 to $10,000 a month from ad revenue, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Start with 1 to 2 videos per week and scale up as you grow. Hustle number 3, selling digital products on Etsy. You create a product once and sell it forever. Think planners, budget sheets, resume templates, or wedding invites. Use Canva or Google Sheets to design. Upload to Etsy, write a keyword-rich title like 2025 Minimalist Budget Planner, and set your price. There are sellers making $3,000 to $20,000 per month with just 10 to 20 products in their shop. The best part: no inventory, no shipping, just passive income. And there you have it, 3 side hustles you can start today with zero investment. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a money-making idea. Thanks for watching. Now go turn your hustle into income.